Maria. I am Maria. So awesome that you are joining us on YouTube and learning today's recipe. And today's recipe is dear and near to my heart because it's a rice pilaf that is done Russian way. But we're not using rice. Today we're using quinoa because quinoa is awesome for you. Quinoa is full of protein, it's vegetable, it's not really a grain. So you will love this recipe, you will love to eat it, you will love to serve it to your friends. And don't forget, look at our last YouTube when we did chicken for you, awesome chicken. Just watch for that recipe. This side dish that I'm gonna do today is perfect for the chicken. So learn the chicken, learn today's recipe, and I'll be back in a second. So quinoa pilaf is today on the menu. We have our onions, parsley, carrots. We're gonna use a chicken stock. We're gonna use quinoa, and we're gonna put some dry fruit in it. We're gonna use apricot. We're gonna use dried prunes, and we're gonna use some raisins. Those are key staple ingredients in Russian rice pilaf. We're just gonna take it to quinoa and apply it to this recipe, and it's gonna be fantastic. You will love it. So first, what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and chop some carrots. Shred some carrot, chop some onion, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in a pot to brown it a little bit in oil. Maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil, not smelly kind, don't use that extra virgin. Just use more of like maybe safflower oil or grapeseed oil, that I like. If you've been to my website, I love grapeseed oil. So use grapeseed oil, actually be even better. But anyway, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna chop it, and I'm gonna shred it, and I'm gonna chop it, and I'm gonna brown it, and it's gonna be great. And then we're gonna continue it. So just watch for us. All right. Beautiful. Done my onions. Now I'm gonna shred the carrots. Usually this variety of carrot, which is skinny, it's beautiful carrot, but it's a little bit skinny. Usually this is better for something like a julienne or chopping. If you want to really shredded carrots, get a little bit fatter carrot, but I'm gonna use this because this is what I have. So don't ever waste any product. Use what you have and use it the way it's gonna suit you. So we're just gonna go ahead and shred it on the angle. All right. This is why I'm telling you why this is not your perfect carrot, because this is going to be a little bit of waste. All right. Usually in my regular life, I give the rest to my Loki, which is my husky. He loves the carrots. Usually he is in the kitchen waiting. See, they break easily like this because they're too thin. All right. So we're just doing this. Beautiful. It's beautiful. We continue. Awesome. Don't worry if it flies a little bit, it's your kitchen. You'll clean it up. Well, this is a dish that you can do in one pot, but you have to have a correct pot. So come closer. I'm gonna ask my cameraman to come closer to that pot. So you need to have pot like this if you want to do it in one pot, okay? Because this particular pot will let you saute your vegetables, onions right here, and we're gonna put it right there. You see, doing in a pot like this will allow you less dishes and much more control over your cooking. Cooking over control is super important because you need to adjust the temperature. You should be able to do everything in one pot. Less cleaning, more control over what you're doing. Win-win situation. Good job. Using quinoa, not rice, for this pilaf. And I got a super awesome quinoa. It's organic quinoa, but it needs to be rinsed. It's okay, we can rinse it. We take 1 cup, we put it in this beautiful sifter, and we continue just rinsing it. Continue rinsing it, fantastic, just rinse it quickly, and it's all good to go. Awesome. We're never gonna leave you from this video without teaching you some Russian, right? Today is going to be about quinoa. Excellent Russian word, quinoa. And that's how we say it in Russian, quinoa. Somebody says it quinoa, we say it quinoa, and so in Russian it's quinoa. If that would be rice, in Russian that would be ris. Rice, ris. But we're not using rice, we're using quinoa, so quinoa it is. look at this little tool that I have, right? You want to know what it is in Russian, don't you? I know you do. I can see and hear you asking me, what is it in Russian? I'm going to tell you now. This is drushlag. Drushlag. That's what it is. Funny word. But in the kitchen, priceless word you need to know. All right? So, раз, два, три. 1, 2, 3. Drushlag, kina. Drushlag, kina. Привет from Maria. Well, remember I told you that this pot is essential for this cooking? It is, because now you can see how nicely onions are becoming translucent and carrots are being softened, and nothing gets burned, because in this particular pan you have that control like I told you about. You have that phenomenal control over your cooking. Time came to add our quinoa. We are using 2 cups of quinoa. All right, 2 cups of quinoa, and 2 cups of quinoa will require 4 cups of liquid. And like I said, quinoa doesn't have so much taste by itself, so it's awesome to add anything to it. It will absorb whatever you're adding. It'll become like almost marinated in whatever flavor you're adding. So we're adding chicken stock, so that's going to be fantastic for it. So 4 cups of chicken stock to 2 cups of quinoa. Got it? Привет, which means you already know. It means hello, hi. Привет from Maria. Привет. So some more Russian words today. I just feel like telling you a little bit more in relation to your experiences in Russian restaurants, for example. I have taught you already the word menu, which is menu. I told you all kind of words, but today I just want to kind of let you know how to be more conversational with your waiter. Okay, so. First and foremost, you want to know what's your waiter's name. They may not tell you in Russia what's their name. It's a different culture. So to ask them what's their name goes like that. Как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут? What's your name? One more time. Как тебя зовут? What is your name? Меня зовут Мария. Как зовут тебя? I'm going to ask our cameraman right now his name, and he's going to tell me in Russian behind the camera. Как зовут тебя? Меня зовут Ryan. Как зовут тебя?
Меня зовут Ryan.
You see how simple it is? He learned it in a second, and so will you. Привет from Maria, from my kitchen to yours. Well, we continue with our quinoa pilaf. We're going to be adding some apricot, some raisin, and some dried plums. We're going to chop them a little bit into bite-sized pieces so it's easier for them to absorb the quinoa, to absorb the flavors of onion and carrots, and it's going to be awesome. So we're just going to use it, just fine chop. Not too fine, a little bit, so you can actually sense it. All right? And of course, you're not going to be chopping this. This is just going to go beautifully by itself. But you're going to be chopping also your dried plums, right? In Russian, let me tell you the fruit's name, right? You want to know that. Well, this чернослив, изюм, курага. You see, apricot in Russian is aprikos. But when it's in this form, the word is different. So, when it's dried apricot, it's called курага. Изюм. Чернослив. Got it? Just remember, when you're adding your fruit, equal amount of every fruit, okay? Whatever you do. And do not add fresh fruit, okay? It calls for dry fruit. Just remember. You know one awesome variation? You can add walnuts to it. Walnuts is fantastic with quinoa. And it looks so cool. It looks like little brains. Remember I told you that before? So you can add walnuts on that. But don't add too many different nuts. No. Stick with that basic combination and maybe walnuts. And if you truly want some awesome taste, put some toasted walnut oil when it's all ready to eat. Like just a touch of toasted walnut oil. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be such awesome flavor. It's gonna be so nutty and so perfect. You will love it. Let's pick You see the consistency of it? See how it's becoming more like what rice pilaf looks like? The evaporation of stock is what gives us this texture. That's the way it looks right now. We're gonna give it another couple minutes and we're gonna kind of test it a little bit with a spoon and see if the liquid all evaporated. And when the liquid is all evaporated, then you are done and ready to mix your fruit in it. We are ready to put our fruit in, so we're just gonna put it right there, just like that, just like so. All right, and we're gonna mix it just like this a little bit in.
What is gonna do?
Toss, toss.
Mix.
There we go. All right, and we're gonna cover it. Take off the heat at this point. Cover it and let it stand for just about 5 minutes before you serve. Voila! So, there it is, a finished product, your quinoa pilaf. And Miss Mary is gonna be tasting it right now. So let's give it to her. There you go. Yes, there you go. There you go. Sure.
This looks really interesting.
All right.
This is really good. Don't talk with your mouth.
You can talk with your mouth full in the kitchen with Maria.
It's really good.
2 thumbs up.
If I had 3 thumbs, I would put 3.
There we go. 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up from Miss Mary, 2 thumbs up from Maria. From my kitchen to your kitchen, from my heart to your heart. Keep watching our YouTubes, keep learning, keep speaking Russian. We see you later. Well, just want to tell you one tip about quinoa. 1 cup of quinoa has 24 grams of protein. So you remember, 1 cup of quinoa, 24 grams of protein. That's amazing. It's gonna make you full. It's gonna make you feeling great. Your tummy is gonna thank you. For crying out loud, 24 grams of protein in 1 cup of this food. All right? So don't forget to cook it. Don't forget to eat it. Stay healthy.